Hey guys, so I'm planning on overhauling my current setup and I thought I would make a video series about it. I'm just basically planning on making it less janky than it currently is because right now it's pretty janky. So it's mainly going to be a series of DIY upgrades I make to my system. I won't be replacing any of the components, but I think it'll be pretty entertaining. So let's talk about what's going to change. So one of the few things that have to change is that my current monitor, I basically took it apart to reduce the bezel size. It's an old Dell monitor, and as you can see, it looks pretty messy. It's stuck together with duct tape, and another issue is that the frame or the plastic frame that held the monitor together also held the stand in place. So when I removed the plastic, I had to make this really messed up holder to hold the monitor in place. Plus, as you can see, my monitor is sitting on a basket. I think it looks pretty good, but yeah, I'm going to be replacing that with a DIY monitor stand that I'm about to make. I also have to work on my cable management because it's pretty messy right now. And yeah, also my lampshade needs to be repaired. As you can see, I've done a pretty terrible job at painting it. And I think I'm going to color match it with my background and my desk. Also, I'll have to repaint the monitor stand. I also plan on getting a mouse and keyboard, preferably wireless, so any recommendations would be great. I guess those are all the plan upgrades I'm about to do, but if you have any recommendations, do suggest them and I will take them under consideration, as long as they aren't too expensive.